I'm Charles Slayton, the Mechatronics instructor. The Mechatronics Program is a all-around program. We talk about pneumatics, hydraulics, all fluid pressures. We also talk about mechanical bearings, shafts, alignment, PLCs. We talk about how to program PLCs, what PLCs do, how PLCs interface with personal computers, and we address how systems work all together. For example, your PLC may run a pump may run a hydraulic motor, and that motor may connect to various things throughout a plant. So no matter what you're talking about in plant maintenance, some portion of Mechatronics applies.
My name is Stephanie Robinson. I am the Career Tech Academy Administrator. With each program, the certifications are industry-led with what the employers have indicated to us are important and essential. Also, some of those credentials do provide college credit within the community college partners that we have, Southside and DCC. Those are year ones that are 8 to 10:30, Monday through Friday. So those will be the first 2 blocks of your school day. You will come here and then you will go back to your home school for the afternoon courses.
This really isn't like a traditional classroom. This is more like you're coming to work, and we apply all aspects of your learning. We use all your senses. One thing that we do is we start grooming you for an occupation. How people expect you to act in the work environment, and we hold you to those same rules. And we make sure we tailor the instruction to your needs. Somebody who's had this type of experience with multiple application systems, with the mechanical, with the hydraulics, with the pneumatics, with the electrical. And that gives you a well-rounded package that is applicable to any industry out there.
So upon completion of our year one programs, students have the option. If you are an 11th grader, you can come back and you can do another year one program of your choice if the school district allows, or you can enter into the work-based learning program, which is an afternoon program that's also year long. If you are a senior, then the options provided to you would be to further your education, go into the workforce, or come to the programs here at the Higher Ed Center through the Adult Workforce Program. We will help you with the scholarships, the applications while you are here with us, so families just know that we are here to help you through that whole process.